Hi friends, how are you? In this video, we're going to learn the days of the week in 3 languages. We're going to go super slow to super fast in English, Bahasa Melayu, and Chinese. Are you ready for this? Let's get into it. Here we go. We're gonna go really slow. Are you ready? Go. Monday, Isnin, 星期一 Tuesday, Selasa, 星期二 Wednesday, Rabu, 星期三 Thursday, Kamis, 星期四 Friday, Jumaat, 星期五Saturday, Sabtu, 星期六 Sunday, Ahad, 星期日 Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Isnin, Selasa, Rabu, Kamis, Jumaat, Sabtu, Ahad, 星期一 星期二 星期三 星期四 星期五 星期六 星期日 Well done! So we're gonna go faster now. Still slow, but faster. Here we go. Monday, Isnin, 星期一 Tuesday, Selasa, 星期二 Wednesday, Rabu, 星期三 Thursday, Kamis, 星期四 Friday, Jumaat, 星期五 Saturday, Sabtu, 星期六 Sunday, Ahad, 星期日 Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Isnin, Selasa, Rabu, Kamis, Jumaat, Sabtu, Ahad, 星期一星期二 星期三、星期四、星期五、星期六、星期日。Great job! That was excellent. I hope you can keep up with me. So we're gonna go a little bit faster now. Okay? Here we go. Monday, Isnin, 星期一 Tuesday, Selasa, 星期二 Wednesday, Rabu, 星期三 Thursday, Kamis, 星期四 Friday, Jumaat, 星期五 Saturday, Sabtu, 星期六 Sunday, Ahad, 星期日 Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Isnin, Selasa, Rabu, Kamis, Jumaat, Sabtu, Ahad, 星期一 星期二 星期三 星期四 星期五 星期六 星期日 Wonderful! That was fantastic! I hope you're still with me. We're gonna go faster afterwards. We're gonna go faster already. I know you're ready. Here we go. Monday, Isnin, 星期一 Tuesday, Selasa, 星期二 Wednesday, Rabu, 星期三 Thursday, Kamis, 星期四 Friday, Jumaat, 星期五 Saturday, Sabtu, 星期六 Sunday, Ahad, 星期日 Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Isnin, Selasa, Rabu, Kamis, Jumaat, Sabtu, Ahad, 星期一 星期二 星期三 星期四 星期五 星期六 星期日 Wonderful! You guys are awesome! Super, super awesome! Shall we go a little faster now? Ready? Let's go! Monday, Isnin, 星期一 Tuesday, Selasa, 星期二 Wednesday, Rabu, 星期三 Thursday Kamis 星期四 Friday Jumaat 星期五 Saturday Sabtu 星期六 Sunday Ahad 星期日 Monday Tuesday Wednesday Thursday Friday Saturday Sunday Isnin Selasa Rabu Kamis Jumaat Sabtu Ahad 星期一星期二星期三星期四星期五星期六星期日 Fantastic! That was awesome! We're gonna go high speed and I hope you're ready. Here we go! Monday Isnin 星期一 Tuesday Selasa 星期二 Wednesday Rabu 星期三 Thursday Kamis 星期四 Friday Jumaat 星期五 Saturday Sabtu 星期六 Sunday Ahad 星期日 Monday Tuesday Wednesday Thursday Friday Saturday Sunday Isnin Selasa Rabu Kamis Jumaat Sabtu Ahad 星期一星期二星期三星期四星期五星期六星期日 Great job! You guys are awesome! Super excellent! Did you have a good time reciting the days of the week in 3 different languages? Well, I hope you had fun because I had so much fun! Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. And stay tuned for more awesome videos like this one. I'll see you again soon. Bye!